actually bigger and better than the last time I saw it. It's very well organized. I think it's only growing year on year, and one of the reasons that I came this time was to actually have a look in terms of what the potential that OTM holds for Delhi, especially because I know OTM Bombay is hugely popular, and we've participated in my previous organization in OTM as well. But I wanted to see the potential of OTM Delhi, and I think it's looking very, very good.
OTM has brought in some innovation, new products, and they are bringing the world closer. The borders are just a line demarcated on the piece of paper, but as we can see, more countries are becoming interested in Indian traveler to their country. So thanks to OTM for bringing new products in always.
I think it's come a long way. Absolutely, fairly impressed this time in particular. Many better participants. In fact, I'm considering whether even we should be there next year for B2B. It's impressive.
I think the response is good. Bombay OTM was very good.
I believe the people who are visiting here proves that it is still the premier trade fair here in the NCR. So we're quite satisfied with the booth that was given to us. We wouldn't be missed because it's actually at the entrance and the exit. And of course, the participation, as you will see, it's full. We have more private sector and even a government sector, another government sector aside from the ministry, who's represented in this Philippine stand.
Normally we are participating in this OTM every year as Turkey, together with our co-exhibitors from Turkey, the biggest DMCs, hoteliers, and also some restaurants, Indian restaurants from Turkey. Every year we are participating in OTM. This year also we took this stall and invited our companies, private sector from Turkey, because it is, being the biggest travel and tourism show in Mumbai, for us it's an important fair, both to have a presence and also to give the opportunity to our co-exhibitors to meet their Indian counterparts.
As the Fair Fest has already gained a lot of momentum in the market, it's been present past almost like 25 years, so it holds a very strong value as such.
The response is very good as of now, and today also we have received a lot of query from the agents as well as from the tourists.
It was very nice and it was very positive feedback for our company. We didn't expect that much of visitors here. And we are here just to say message about Egypt. It's totally safe for the time being. And the positive thing that a lot of people would like to start sell Egypt again and to start sell Egypt from the beginning. That's why it's a positive fair for our side. And we would like to participate on the coming year.
We are getting a good response. Indians are telling us that if you are thinking of game, you are thinking of safari in Africa, the best place to think of is Ngorongoro, So we are getting a nice response and the people are promising to come.
The content of this year Delhi OTM is very good. Like I've been looking for a particular tourism board which I could not even find through the embassy, like Romania. They are present here. So it was very good for me to get acquainted with the tour operators and suppliers I've been looking for. So for me the presence is good, and like last year I especially flew to Bombay to attend the Russian tourism stall because they do not come to any other fair other than OTM Bombay.
The supporters which are with us, means the suppliers, the tour operators, the hoteliers, the resort, they are getting the bookings also. Besides that, currently we had a tie-up with the Bollywood tourism. So they got a huge response on that, and they have given a fam tour through this OTM. So they are getting a very good response, and it's very much benefited for all of us.
OTM is a very good platform to us, to brand our, B2C website, even for the B2B also. This is the first time we participate in Delhi and in Mumbai also. Before we were done in Chennai and Bangalore, on this other part. Okay, so we are, getting a lot of response, a good response on this, stalls and everything, and it's doing very well.
The season it's all every time it changes. Sometime we're looking for south, sometime looking for north, for Himalayas, and we find here it's all the things what we want.
The plus point of OTM is that yes, you've got a lot of hotels plus a lot of destinations all together. So when we look at marketing to foreigners or even to Indians who look forward for better destinations and hotels in those destinations, it becomes easier for us to put together and market it to them. So it's nice to network, meet them, get to know more details about them, and then take it forward.
OTM, in fact, it's a very good platform for hoteliers, for tour operators and travel agents, be it the people who are established in the market or newcomers also. It's a good platform to showcase their product and the property. So I believe it's getting a right kind of visitors.
This is our first time visiting OTM and I liked it very much and I appreciate the concept.
It's a new experience where people are getting into a city where there's lots to offer, and it's far more convenient being at the Expo Center.
OTM is now it's synonymous in a sense like outbound travel mart. Outbound is the call of the day, and it's pretty evident when you see very exotic countries like Tanzania and all those things are coming. Yes, I bumped into one being a wildlife enthusiast. Apart from that, yes, it's a good networking place. You bumped into people you know and you get to interact with people you don't know.
Basically, I'm in the MICE industry, so it is really beneficial for me that I have to directly contracted with the hoteliers for outbound and in domestic.
OTM Mumbai was good. We had a good experience here. The diversity was good, international as well as domestic.
We are participating in 2015 in OTM, and we'd like to see more people who visit the booth, and we will of course bring more tour operators, properties, so that they could experience firsthand dealing with the Indian travel trade, and that's actually the objective. Because with that, we are on the right track when it comes to creating more tour packages for Indian travelers, and even accommodating a lot of FITs.
I would say this is, in comparison to other trade fairs also, this is one of the best trade fairs I have ever attended.
As far as OTM is concerned, I have attended international trade fairs. I can say very proudly that it's at par with the best trade fairs, all over the globe.